Welcome to 2-Minute Analysis. I'm Daniel Snyder from Seeking Alpha. In this series, we dive into the stocks that you request. Our goal is to not only entertain, but provide value and insights about the investments you care about. So let's throw 2 minutes on the clock and dive in. Today, we're diving into FedEx Corporation, ticker symbol FDX. Now, looking at the Seeking Alpha quant system, it currently has a hold on the stock with a current value of 2.93. We'll dive more into the factor grades in here in a moment, but first, let's look at the Seeking Alpha analyst. Seeking Alpha analyst grade for this stock is a buy rating, currently sitting at 3.77, and that is 9 analysts over the last 90 days in aggregate. And then bringing up the rear, Wall Street analysts have a buy rating on the stock as well, with a current rating of 4.06, and that is 30 analysts on the street covering the stock over the last 90 days. To learn more about how the Seeking Alpha quant system and Seeking Alpha analysts outperform the market, visit the link in the description of this video. So let's dive deeper. This is a $54 billion market cap company in the industrial sector with a forward dividend yield of 2.53%. Competitors include the like of United Parcel Service, that is UPS, DHL, and the Amazon logistics arm of the Amazon Corporation. Let's dive deeper now into the factor grades. Looking at valuation, we can see that the PE non-GAAP forward is 12.47 compared to the sector median of 20.65. And looking at price to book, it's currently 1.95 compared to the sector at 3.04. That is a 36% discount to the sector, showcasing that FedEx Corporation might be undervalued at this time. Jumping over to the growth metrics, which currently is a D+, the forward revenue growth of 1.71% compared to the sector at 4.92% looks as a bit of a lag for FedEx Corporation. Jumping over to profitability, which currently is an A+, the cash from operations is a staggering $7.04 billion compared to the sector, which is currently at $367 million, doing very, very well there. Jumping over to momentum, we see the D+ grade because the 1-year price performance is almost down 20% compared to the sector, which is 9.13% in the green. Now, lastly, looking at revisions, which is that D+ grade that you just saw there, the number of up revisions for earnings per share is 3, and the number of down revisions for earnings per share is 24. Now, looking at the revenue numbers, there are 7 up revisions and 18 down revisions, showing the pessimistic outlook for FedEx Corporation here. So now, is it time to add this stock to your portfolio? Well, let's look at some of the analysts here. So we've got a few buy ratings, such as the like of Trading Key and Market Mind, Gen Alpha here on Seeking Alpha, but we've also got a hold rating from Mahdi Sapir, as well as a sell rating from Vinay Utham CFA. So I highly encourage you to go jump into these articles, hear them out to see if this stock is right for you at this time. Now, that's going to wrap it up for this episode. If you have a ticker you want us to cover, add it to the comment section below, and don't forget to follow Seeking Alpha so you get notified when the next 2-minute analysis gets published. We are not advising you personally concerning the nature, potential value, or suitability of any particular security. You alone are solely responsible for determining whether any investment, security, or strategy, or any product or service is appropriate or suitable for you based on your investment objectives and personal and financial situation. This presentation is for information purposes only. Content is presented as of the date published or indicated and may be superseded by future events. It represents my opinions which may not reflect the views of Seeking Alpha as a whole. Past performance is no guarantee of future results. Seeking Alpha is not a licensed securities dealer, broker, or U.S. investment advisor or investment bank.